Here is a painful reality. You predict the market direction correctly, but price rapidly plummets through support, hits your stop loss, and immediately skyrockets upward. Morning volatility on gold follows a calculated structural mechanism designed to engineer liquidity. The algorithm executing this specific price action is deploying what is known as the ICT Judas Swing. The Judas Swing is an engineered false price movement deployed at the start of a trading session. Its strict purpose is to hunt retail stop losses and clear the board of early positions. Institutional heavyweights cannot enter the market with single, massive block orders without causing immediate price slippage. They require the liquidity generated by those swept retail stops to fill their own true directional positions. To avoid becoming that liquidity, you have to map the power of three cycle, an institutional sequence consisting of accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, and anticipate the algorithmic manipulation before executing a trade. The first phase of this institutional price delivery is the accumulation phase of the power of three cycle. This chart displays the Asian trading session from 20 p.m. to 02 a.m. EST. This is where accumulation occurs, marked by tight sideways price movement. Traders place orders on both edges, leaving unexecuted stop losses resting just above resistance and below support. Algorithms target these orders using the New York midnight opening price at 00 a.m. EST. This equilibrium mathematically separates institutional buying and selling zones. For long setups, the Judas Swing must drop below midnight into a discount zone. For shorts, it rallies into the premium zone. Any setup that fails to cleanly cross the midnight equilibrium line is structurally invalid. It lacks the necessary liquidity generation and should be discarded. In quantitative trading, strict timing must precede price action. You cannot validate a spatial setup if it occurs in the wrong temporal window. This chart highlights the London kill zone, the window between 02 and 05 EST, where algorithmic traps are deployed. The highest probability manipulation happens in the witching hour from 02 to 03, when London algorithms activate to sweep the accumulated Asian liquidity. Assets behave differently during these sweeps. Lower beta forex pairs like the euro to US dollar might only require a minimal sweep to clear stops. Gold is a high beta asset with wider price swings, necessitating a 30-50 pip rule. Gold algorithms execute a full 30 to 50 pip extension beyond the Asian range to absorb maximum retail volume before the actual trend begins. Executing a trade on the initial breakout of the Asian range guarantees you will become liquidity fodder for these deep algorithmic extensions. This introduces a critical problem, determining whether a sudden price movement is a true trend breakout or an engineered liquidity trap. The only way to cryptographically verify institutional intent is by checking cross-asset correlation, specifically through smart money tool divergence. Under normal market conditions, there is a baseline inverse correlation between gold and the DXY. The DXY is the US dollar index, which measures the dollar's strength against a basket of currencies. When the dollar gains strength, gold typically weakens. This dual chart displays a bullish Judas signal. Gold drops to a distinct lower low, while the US dollar index plateaus, failing to make a higher high. This break in inverse correlation mathematically proves institutions are absorbing orders, not initiating a trend. The presence of SMT divergence confirms that a price sweep represents institutional accumulation rather than a standard trend breakout. Trade execution only happens after the sweep completes, and SMT divergence confirms the trap. You then drop down to a highly granular 1-minute time frame. This zoomed-in 1-minute chart reveals the first execution trigger, the market structure shift. A market structure shift is a sudden aggressive break in a prevailing sequence of lower lows or higher highs. Here, upward candles violently breach a previous structural swing high. This shift must feature violent displacement. You are looking for energetic, long-bodied candles, not a slow, grinding reversal. That violent displacement naturally leaves behind the second execution trigger, a fair value gap. This gap requires a strict 3-candle sequence, where the wicks of the first and third candles fail to overlap, leaving an empty vertical space between them. The critical entry point lies exactly in the middle of that fair value gap, a mathematical threshold known as consequent encroachment. The final execution protocol involves placing a limit order exactly at this 50% midpoint. Waiting for the fair value gap ensures you enter precisely where algorithms return to rebalance books. This completes the ICT unicorn model. Trading gold requires adjusting standard risk management parameters to survive its inherent volatility. A perfectly timed entry will still fail if the stop loss is placed too tight. The absolute rule for stop loss placement is that it must be positioned completely beyond the furthest tip of the Judas Swing wick. If the institutional accumulation narrative is correct, algorithms will mathematically protect that extreme manipulation point. The price has no structural reason to return there. This chart visualizes the full cycle using the average true range, or ATR. ATR is a metric that gauges market volatility by decomposing the entire range of asset prices for a specific period. If gold has a daily range of $25, a tight 10-pip stop is obsolete. Your risk model must encapsulate the entire algorithmic sweep. If you miss the primary London trap, the New York trading session between 07 and 10 Eastern frequently provides secondary fair value gap continuation entries. The complete model requires a strict sequence: identify the Asian accumulation, wait for the 02 temporal trigger, apply the midnight equilibrium filter, confirm with SMT Divergence, and execute the fair value gap. Review your last 5 gold losses and look for hidden Judas swings. Verify the dates against the FXNX economic calendar to ensure macroeconomic news didn't overwrite the algorithm, and let the structure dictate your next trade.